What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're back at Copart for another Copart walk around. We're not going to waste any time. We're going to jump right into this today with number one on my list, a 2019 Hyundai Accent with hail damage. We're going to be seeing a lot of hail damage cars out here. I don't know why. But we've got a lot of hail damage cars out here. And it looks like this one took a little, the front bumper came a little bit undone there. That's not that big a deal. It can be put back on. I'm looking at the hail damage. You can see it in person. I doubt you're going to be able to see it on camera. You could probably see a little bit of it right there. Maybe, yeah, right there. It does have hail damage all over. It's more prevalent up here. Hopefully, yeah, that's just going to be real difficult to see, guys. Real difficult to see. I mean, you can see it right there as well. And all down here. If we had more sunlight, you'd be able to see this a lot better. Unfortunately, there's no sunlight today. In my opinion, it's not that bad, and it's a 2019. This is a newer car. 8,000 miles on the odometer? Come on, man. Yeah, she's still on her factory Continental tires and everything. Like, this is a great deal right here. This is a great deal. I think this has a bite now of $6,500. It's not bad, guys. It's not bad. Now, I can't remember if this is a clear title or not. I'd have to look. Let's go ahead and fire it up. I guarantee she's going to start right up, man. Yep. Average fuel economy. Look at this. Average fuel economy, 38.9 miles a gallon. 38.9 miles a gallon. And they had the air conditioning running, so the AC was on, and they're pulling almost 40 mpgs out of this car. Wow. Wow. I mean, we could go ahead and check everything, but we know it's going to go backwards. We know it's going to go forwards. All right, we know the air conditioning works. You've got drive modes, though. We got sport and not sport. That's it, sport and not sport. And then you've got some buttons on the steering wheel there to go through some of your, trip and all that stuff. Yeah. Basic stuff, guys. I'm going to move this seat back a little bit because this is, oh, there we go. That's much better. That is much better. Bluetooth, wireless connectivity, all that good stuff as well. I'd like to get into the trunk. If I knew where the trunk release button was, I would push it. Unfortunately, I have no idea where it's at. Maybe we can do it on the key fob right here. Let's try it. Nope, not gonna let us. There's probably a button on the back we can push. Uh-oh. Is there not? There's a button. It's not letting you do it, I guess, because the car is running. You'd have to actually turn the car off. That makes no sense. This is decent. This is real decent. Listen to that. Listen, it runs like a top, purrs like a kitten, sounds like a damn sewing machine. Yeah, this is a good deal. Tell you what, guys, I'm going to pull this up on the app real quick. Let me see what kind of title it's got, and let me double check the buy it now price, and we'll come right back. So it's a clean title, at least it says it's a clean title, which that can sometimes mean it was rebuilt. That doesn't always mean that it's got a non-branded title. There's a difference. There really is, I guess. It says clean title, but I've purchased cars many times from different auctions that had clean titles, but they were branded. Now, I know you're thinking that's not a clean title, but what they're talking about is as of the sale of the car, the title is not currently a salvaged title or a junk title, meaning you can get in it, hit the road, and take off. This is an insurance car. They're not wanting $6 grand. They're wanting $14,000 for this car, which I guess makes a little more sense. I don't know how much these things cost new, but these were always really budget-friendly cars, and I don't know, $14,000, you guys tell me. What do you think? $14,000 a good deal or a bad deal? And I guess a lot of that is also going to depend on if you run the Carfax report and it shows that it had been salvaged but is currently rebuilt. That obviously takes quite a chunk away from what the car is actually worth. With that, we're going to move on to the next one. Next on my list, the 1988 Ford F150. Yeah, she is not too shabby looking. She is a little rough. She is a little rough, but honestly, look at the body. Don't look at the window being stuck down and the bags all over it. Like, just look at the body. Or the stuff here peeling off. All that can be put back together. The body itself actually looks pretty damn good. And it comes with a lot of free stuff. Now, I'm going to tell you straight up, this thing has been here forever. I can't tell you how long it's been here, but I'm certain it's been here at least a year. You can see that some of this stuff has sat with water filled up in it, and it's sat for a very, very, very long time. It comes with all these totes and toolboxes that we don't know what's in, which kind of makes it interesting, I think. You get to go through all this stuff. Now, most of it is probably junk, so I don't know. Content? Maybe. Maybe not. A little bit of rust going through the rear window on that side and the other side as well. Looks like this window is stuck down too. Of course, it is listed as a non-runner. Tires are bad. Everything is bad, honestly. The body's not that bad. Body's pretty good. I'm going to assume it's got a 5.0. I don't know. Could have a 5.8, I guess. Where's the label? Where's the sticker that tells me what this thing's got in it? 5.0 and 5.8 drive belt. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. But as far as something telling us specifically what engine this is, there it is. There it is. I wonder if we can still read it. Oh boy. It's a 5.0. It's a 5.0. It's hard to read it, but there it is. 5.0 liter. Okay, all right. Well, what do you guys think? Should we take a peek inside of it? And I don't even know. Can we get? Oh, let's see if we can. Yeah, oh, wow. Good Lord have mercy. This is. It's got a window in it. The window's down there. Looks like somebody just rolled the windows down and stuck them that way. Somebody bent the headlight. Oh, nope. That's the wipe washer. It just fell on the floor. Oh, boy. Dual tanks. Well, let's sniff some fuel. What do you think this smells like? I mean, you know, gonna guess gas hadn't been put in here in a little while, huh? Got any wasps still hanging out in there? Honestly, doesn't look too bad. Doesn't smell too bad either. I'm kind of surprised at that. I really expected that to be rotten. Well, most people, when the tanks start acting up, they'll fix the front tank and they leave the back one. So this would be the one that I would bet is a little crusty. Not too bad. Honestly, that one doesn't smell like anything. I don't smell anything in there at all. I mean, it doesn't even smell like gasoline. Like, there's no smell at all. Oh man. I don't know. There might be some good stuff in here. You know, maybe it would make it worthwhile to. Oh wow, probably family pictures and stuff. Probably belonged to some old folks, you know, and they passed away, and kids being the way they are today. Family portraits? Nah, screw them. Let's sell everything, get as much money as we can. Greedy bastards. Sorry. Anyway, let's throw a jump on it. Let's see what she does or doesn't do. You guys ready for this? Somebody's jumped that solenoid more than a few times. She's wore down pretty good. So, that may be, ooh, wow. Yeah, I thought so, man. That solenoid is so worn. It is so worn under there. You could tell that this is how somebody had been starting this thing for quite some time. So instead of fixing the ignition switch or whatever, take a look at this. Yeah, tell me that someone hadn't been jumping that sucker for a while, right? Yeah. Okay, give me just a minute and let's see if magically it'll try to start itself. Well, unfortunately, she's not cooperating. The starter's not trying to do anything, like nothing at all, not even the slightest spark. So who knows, maybe there's no starter down there. Maybe the starter got took off and it never got put back on. All I can tell you is there is nothing happening at all. So unfortunately, there's nothing left to do to this one. Moving on to the next one. Last one on my list, the 2014 Mercedes ML350. I'm not sure why this one is here. I wonder if it's hail damage. I would bet hail damage, but well, with all this dust, I can't see. Yeah, it's hail damage. It is. It's hail damage. Oh, yeah. Yeah, she's hail damaged pretty good. Okay, I told you guys, the hail damage just doesn't bother me all that much. It really doesn't. What kind of tire we got? There's so much dust on the tire, I can't even hardly read it. Good night. It is just bad out here today. Hell, can you read that? Victory? Vic City? Vice City? Hell, I don't know. It's got good tread on the tires is what I'm trying to tell you. This is nice. This is real nice. I'm not going to be able to fit through there, so we're going to walk around the other side. Definitely hail damaged on this side. Oh my goodness, that wind. What kind of tires are these? Yokohama. That's what it says, Yokohama. At least over there, it says Yokohama. This side looks pretty good. You got a little clip that broke right there. Whatever, Yokohama. Yeah, they're a set of Yokohamas, all with very good tread on them. Woo! Oh, I like this. I like this. I like this a lot. Oh my goodness. ML350, she's kind of big, guys. It is a beefy SUV. Oh, Jessica would love this. Jessica would love this, I think. I'm trying to talk quietly because she's somewhere around here. She's got power. It looks good. Looks real good. Oh, what? What is this? They took the key? There's no push to start or something then, huh? How are you supposed to start this up? Oh my God. Like, I think it might have damaged the steering wheel. Look at this. Okay, so you can't hear it run. You can't start it. That sucks. Why did they do this? I don't think it was Copart that did this. I have never seen Copart do this. I'm thinking this was the insurance company. Copart wraps a thing around it, one of these, and they just hang it. This is like the insurance company put this here to prevent the key from getting lost or stolen. I was hoping there'd be another one sitting down in here somewhere. Because obviously I want to start it, you know. I mean, I know it says that it runs and drives, but how do I know that? How do I know that with this all stuck up here? This sucks. This really, really sucks. Check the glove box. Maybe there's... No. I think this may have been a push to start button right here. And I think it is. I think it's a push to start button. Let me see if I can figure something out. All right, I figured something out. Magically, the start button showed back up. I don't know how that happened. The key's still there, but the start button just... Hey! Hey! There we go. There we go. She needs a windshield. Sunroof is still intact. I really do wonder what this is going to go for. I really like this. I know I say that all the time, but I'm easily impressed. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. I'm easily impressed by these vehicles, guys. I am. This is a Texas vehicle. Oh, she's only got 79,000 miles on her. Oh yeah, it's gonna go for a lot of money. Damn. I didn't realize it was such low miles. That sucks. I mean, that's great for someone else. That sucks for me. I was hoping it was going to be a, you know, a higher mileage vehicle, because now I really don't have a shot at getting this at all. None. Damn. I am so disappointed. So disappointed. All right. It's got a, you know, it's kind of like an iDrive thing. You got your little wheel down there and everything. This is really, really, really nice. I don't see ventilated seats, but it does have heated seats. Air conditioning is nice and cold. Important when it works, of course. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. See what's going on under there. We're not going to pop the back because it's going to run right into this pole. So we'll just, we'll skip doing all that. I gotta pull this up though. I'm really curious to see where this is sitting at. Is it a clean title? Ooh, she's kind of nasty under the hood for only 79,000 miles. Good Lord, that is filthy. Look at this. 79,000 miles, really? You know what? Maybe that's an old sticker. I didn't even think about it. I didn't even look at the date. Hold on. Good Lord, that wind. Oh, it doesn't tell you on the window. Okay. What's the date on that? Nope, 1/22. Let's see what the bids are at right now. So yeah, she really does have 76,000 miles. There it is. And the bids are at $5,400, which is that's an insane deal. I would bid right now today $5,500 all day long, but it hasn't met the reserve. And there's one other problem. The buy it now is $15,500, which I still think is a good deal for this. I really do. I think $15,500 is a great deal for this vehicle. This is a very capable vehicle, guys. Very luxurious, very comfortable, classy. And even though it's a little bit older, Mercedes just has a style that ages very, very well. It ages like wine, you know what I mean? It's not one of those things where the older they get, the more outdated they look. They just have a beautiful style all their own, and I think they look gorgeous for years and years and years and years. Unfortunately, I don't have 15 grand sitting in the bank that I can spend on this, and if I did, the problem would be I would buy this and I would drive it and I wouldn't want to get rid of it. We can't be doing that. We can't be doing that. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. This thing, I guess that just pops back out. Hell. There we go. It pops back out. Let me see if I can figure out how to get it back where it came from. Bingo. Right back where it belongs. Everything is nice and returned to where it came from. I'm really sad about this. I was really hoping that this would be something that I could actually afford to buy. I can't do 15 grand. I can't. Yeah, I mean, I could. The problem is, like I said, I would end up wanting to keep it, and that doesn't make any sense. I can't spend that kind of money on something that I'm going to hold on to. So, I guess we're going to end this video. We're done. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get out of here. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the content, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to drop your comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Auto Auction Rebuilds. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.